Daniel, we out of the rough yet, boy? I hear that old lady hacking with that Kaiser blade.
Yeah, she do that a lot.
Getting right in the jugular vein. Biscuit's over there. We got our driver, my chauffeur, and then we got stuff. So we got to get pulled it out. These damn... This is bad water. We about to see what's gonna happen. My tow hook broke, so it ain't gonna pull if you. Hey, no more. What? I ain't in this damn boat no more. What's that? Ow! You can sit in the boat.
All I knew was to hit my shoulder back there. Who's that for?
Now we're stuck in the middle of the plate.
Yep. Exactly what's going to happen. You're going to rip that fucking cross member out of there, too.
Should have put it on the bumper.
What? Oh, nice. Yeah. I knew that was going to happen. Now what are you going to do? You're stuck. And now we're even further from fucking any power source. That's helping you a lot, too. Motherfuckers full of goddamn water.